What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? What is it? You want to play? I'm not going to take it if you have it. You goofball. You're a goofy dog. You're a goofy dog. Are you trying to mouth, Mom? Are you trying to mouth, Mom? Huh? You can't. No, 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 you can't. Leave it. Sit. Go get it. I love you. 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 Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Ah, I got it. What? What you want? What do you want? This is what makes dogs like children. Digging through a toy chest trying to find the right toy. What is it? You couldn't find the toy you wanted? You couldn't find it? Baby, don't do that. You know Dad hates that. What? What do you want? Are you looking for a toy that you want to play with? What toy? What toy? What toy you want to play with, baby? You want your ball? Is that what you're looking for? Your ball? Let's see. Is your ball under here? Let's see. Where could your ball be? No, your ball's not under here. I know how much you... Oh, it might be under the other couch, though. Let's go look under the other couch. Come on. Let's go see if your ball's under this couch. All right. Let me see. No, it's not under here. I don't know what happened to your balls. I don't know what happened to your balls, Chaz. What'd you do with them? They're not under there. I don't know where they are. Let me see. We got a piggy. You want to play the piggy? You want to play with the piggy? Play with the piggy. Let's play with the piggy. She's pushing her nose into it. You gonna bring it to me? I'm gonna get it. Go get it. Give. Go get it. Good girl. What a good girl. Good girl.